Thinking about starting your own digital marketing business in 2026. It might sound intimidating, but what if I told you there's a straightforward path to not just starting, but actually scaling to six figures and beyond? And no, you don't need a huge team or a massive budget to get there. Stick with me because in this video, I'm going to break down the exact roadmap you need to build a successful digital marketing business from scratch. We'll cover everything from the core, fundamentals, to advanced strategies that the pros use. Let's start with the basics. What is a digital marketing business? Essentially, you're a problem solver. Businesses have problems. They need more leads, more sales, and more visibility. You use digital tools to solve those problems. It's that simple. Now, a mistake I see beginners make is confusing strategies with tactics. A tactic is an action, like run a Facebook ad or posting on Instagram. A strategy is the big picture plan. Why are you running that ad? Who are you trying to reach? What's the ultimate goal? Always start with strategy, then choose your tactics. Without a strategy, your tactics are just random shots in the dark. So how do you build that winning strategy? I teach something called the Core 4. These are the 4 pillars of any successful marketing campaign: offer, audience, message, and channel. First, your client's offer has to be irresistible. Is it a great product? Is the deal compelling? Next, the audience. Who are you talking to? You need to know them inside and out, their pains, their desires, their dreams. Then comes the message. This is how you connect the offer to the audience. Your messaging needs to resonate deeply and show them you understand their problem and have the solution. Finally, the channel. Where does your audience hang out online? Is it TikTok, LinkedIn, Google search? Meet them at where they are. When you nail all 4 of these, your marketing becomes magnetic. Now, let's talk about some key marketing dichotomies, divisions. The first one is inbound versus outbound. Inbound is about attracting customers naturally through valuable content like blogs, SEO, or social media. People will come to you. Outbound is actively reaching out, like with cold emails or direct ads. You go to them. A great business uses a mix of both. Another one is paid versus organic. Paid marketing is paying for ads on platforms like Google or Facebook for instant traffic. Organic is to earn traffic over time through content creation and community building. It's slower, but you get loyal following. Again, the sweet spot is usually a combination of both. Think of it like this. Paid marketing is the faucet you can turn on for quick results, while organic is the well you build for long-term, sustainable growth. So, how do you actually get started? My advice is to niche down. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Maybe you specialize in running Facebook ads for local gyms or SEO for dentists. When you have a niche, it's so much easier to find clients, become an expert, and command higher prices. Start by offering one core service to one type of client. Master it. Then, you can expand your services or your client base from there. This is the fastest way to build authority and a strong reputation in the market. Let me tell you about Sarah, one of my students. Sarah was working at 9 to 5. She didn't love chi, had a passion for wellness, and wanted to help small yoga studios grow. She started by offering a simple social media management package. She focused entirely on yoga studios in her city. Her first client saw a 50% increase in class bookings in just 2 months. Word spread? Soon, she had more clients than she could handle. She refined her process, created packages, and eventually hired a virtual assistant. Within 18 months, Sarah had quit her job and was running a six-figure digital marketing agency, all from her laptop. Her secret? She didn't try to do everything. She picked a niche, focused on getting amazing results, and then scaled systematically. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I get my first client? Can you also develop a similar fastest way to build authority and a strong reputation in the market? Yes, let me introduce you to Jesse, another student of mine. Jesse was working a 9-to-5 job that didn't inspire him. He had a deep passion for internet games and wanted to help small gaming studios flourish. He began by offering a social media management package. Jesse focused exclusively on gaming studios in his locality. His first client experienced a 50% increase in gaming gadget sales in just 2 months. As news spread, he quickly gained more clients than he could manage. Jesse refined his approach, developed packages, and eventually hired a virtual assistant. In just 12 months, Jesse had left his job and was running a 6-figure digital marketing agency, all from his laptop. His secret? Can you guess? He didn't try to do everything at once. He picked a niche, concentrated on delivering exceptional results, and scaled his business systematically. Now, you might be asking, how do I get my first client? This is where most people get stuck. The key is to lead with value. Don't just ask for a sale. Offer a free audit, a 15-minute strategy call, or a small, tangible piece of advice. Show them you can help them by actually helping them. Go to networking events, join relevant Facebook groups, connect with people on LinkedIn, share your knowledge freely. When you demonstrate your expertise and genuine desire to help, clients will naturally be drawn to you. Your first few clients are crucial for building case studies and testimonials. So, even consider working at a lower rate initially, just to get those success stories under your belt. Once you have a few clients and your systems are in place, it's time to think about scaling. Scaling isn't just about getting more clients. It's building a business that can grow without you being the bottleneck. This means creating standard operating procedures, or SOPs, for everything you do. How do you onboard a new client? How do you run a report? Document it all. This makes it easy to hire and train team members. You can start with freelancers or virtual assistants for specific tasks, and then bring on full-time employees as your revenue grows. Another key to scaling is moving from one-off projects to retainer-based services. Selling a monthly package provides predictable, recurring revenue, which is the holy grail for any service business. So, there you have it, a roadmap to starting and scaling your own digital marketing business in 2026. We have covered the fundamentals of strategy over tactics, the core 4 principles of offer, audience, message, and channel, and the importance of niching down. We talked about practical ways to get your first clients and the steps you need to take to scale your operations for long-term success. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a genuine desire to help other businesses succeed. But the freedom and fulfillment that come from building your own successful business are absolutely worth it. If you're serious about making this happen and want a step-by-step guide that goes even deeper into every topic we discussed today, I've pasted a guide just for you. It includes checklists and some strategies you can use to build our own agency. Check the links in the description below to get instant access. Start your journey today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. See you in the next one.